It's not sharp. Don't try this at home. It's not sharp. Look, it's not even That's how you cook and cut. That's how you cook and cut it. I like to cook. I don't like to clean. But I like to cook that my mom cleans. Wow, 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 wow. And don't get burned like me. Hit the like button! Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, this kind of a face reveal, I suppose. Yeah, look at this beautiful face-ish. Yeah, so this is very different from my regular gaming videos. So yeah, I'm a very good cook. I like to cook. Very fun fact is that I'm vegetarian and I can't eat meat or anything else. So I'm very good at cooking because I gotta manage myself. Yeah? Yeah. So we're gonna make some easy, simple food that you can make in under 10 to 15 minutes, right? Give or take. Yeah. So the first ingredient is that we're gonna need chips, tortilla chips. We are gonna need we're gonna need beans. It doesn't matter if you freshly got your beans and you're gonna open them up. It doesn't matter, you're gonna use them anyways. We got onion. Let's just open these stuff up so you could see this better. Tortilla, that, onions, medium-sized tomato, 1 or 2 jalapenos. It depends how much spice you want to have it. 2 jalapenos, and the main part. Cheese. I have low moisture part skim mozzarella cheese. I don't know. That's what my mom got. It doesn't matter what kind of cheese you have. My opinion, if my mom didn't get this kind of cheese, I'll get cheddar cheese. Cheddar mozzarella cheese. That's good. If you have to clean up your mess, wash your hands. Safety first. That's it. You're also gonna need this. A brownie tray. Where you make brownies and all that, like enchiladas and all that. Yeah. This is what you're gonna need. And a cutting board. Also a cutting board. Yeah. So let me wash all my ingredients and I'm gonna cut up. Get a knife to cut it up or dice it up, whatever you wanna. Right, this is not sharp. Don't try this at home. It's not sharp. Look, it's not even it's not sharp. Yeah, not sharp. So we're gonna cut this like this. You could eat this if you want this. No tomato goes to waste, right? And you do that. If you want more tomatoes, just add another one. Or just do 1.5 if you want. I'm not the best at cutting because this knife is not sharp. My bad for like bad cutting skills. You want this like very short, tiny pieces. Tiny pieces. Right? Tiny pieces. It's that simple. I'll cut this one and I'll be right back. It's diced up. Remember, wash your hands before you do anything. Because I washed my hands already. I got 2 jalapenos because I like to eat spicy food. I love it. Shit. Never do that. I'm gonna pick that up later, so yeah. That's how you cook and cut. That's how you cook and cut it. That's how you get damaged. You could put this in a separate tray or shit, but I don't care. I'm not trying to clean up. I'm not trying to wash all these dishes. It's not professional. I could tell that. Because I'm not a professional at cooking. I'm just very good at cooking. Right? If you guys like this kind of content, like all these cooking videos, please hit that like button. I'll try to post new formulas and all that stuff.
No, come on now. No gifts.
No. I want you to have this. It's my secret formula.
Right.
New kind of snacks that you could make at your home if you don't have your mom and dad to cook you or anything. I almost cut my finger. Did you see that? If you want to take out the seeds and make it less spicier, you could. If you guys don't like spicy foods. Not my choice, but yeah.
That's the jalapenos done. Yeah, that's the jalapenos. So this is leftover beans from like 1 day ago. I'm just gonna cook it very up like quickly for like 2 minutes, and I'll be right back. I like to cook. I don't like to clean, but I like to cook that my mom cleans. So we got our chips right there, onions, jalapeno, tomato, and beans. That's it. So we're gonna take this. We're gonna move this aside for a second. Right, this. Some tortilla chips. Yank these like that. I gotta clean my hands because I know this is a long, tedious work. Alright. Just tortilla chips. Mine are crushed, but it doesn't matter if they're crushed or not. It's gonna taste like the same. I'm gonna just dump all of it. This could be a good snack for 2 or yourself if you're fat like me, right? I'm fat. Always be fat. It's nice. It's nice to be fat. Cover up the walls because the cheese is gonna get stuck and it's gonna be tedious to like clean it off. Yeah. Get yourself a spoon. Get yourself a spoon. Get your beans. And just rub it in. It doesn't... And don't get burned like me. Ah!
just rub it in. I'm gonna use all the beans. You could just... I kinda don't wanna get burned, so I'm gonna use the knife. You could do this. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh! Yeah, so then, yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay. This is good. You could just chuck this like that. You're fine. But don't chuck this because it's glass. Now, these are the main ingredients that will enchant your dish, right? Onions. It doesn't depend on how much onions you want to eat. Don't be sloppy like me. I think that's good enough. You could chuck the knife into the sink. You don't need it. Okay, now this, you could just sprinkle it on. Like, it's like Salt Bae, man. It's like Salt Bae, man. Tomato Bae. Tomato Bae. I would advise you not to put this much tomatoes in. But if you're a fat guy like me, it works out because it's gonna go in your stomach anyways. Yeah. You don't forget about the jalapenos. Now this is the best part. To cover up your garden thing. Right? You cover it up. You cover it up like Salt Bae. If you want to be fat, put more cheese. Like me. Covered it up. Cover that shit up, okay? Right? That's tons of cheese. Now your dish is done. Now you need... if you don't have a mini oven, you're screwed. You're basically screwed. If you have a mini oven, then that's wonderful. I'm gonna use my mini oven because I have a mini oven. Yeah. I'm gonna chuck this into the mini oven for like for 450 degrees for 5 minutes ish. 5 to 7 minutes. Just check in and out to see if the cheese has melted, and when you see the cheese has melted, then it's done. Yeah. So, if you guys like this kind of stuff, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share it to your friends, because if they're fat like me, they will enjoy this dish. Yeah. If they're fat like me, they're gonna enjoy this dish. Yeah. Now this, I'm gonna chuck this in, and I'll be right back. Remember, 5 to 7 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. We do the stanky lang. We do the stanky lang. Ooh, ooh. In the meanwhile, while that's cooking, let's just clean up here. So, because you don't have to clean up. Because you want to, when you're doing this thing, right? You want to enjoy your food. So, yeah, let's just clean up. Cleaning up montage. We're done. Oh, bro, my nose burns. Alright, guys. So, that was it. The thing is done. I'll show you guys. That looks great, right? Doesn't that look great? Screenshot this and send it to your friends. Sorry. Send this to your friends, boys. Alright? Yeah. Crispy, man. Stringy. If you guys have another topping, if you guys want to make it much better, add sour cream in it. Just like a flat glob. Just like that much. And that will do. So if you guys like this food, please like, comment, and subscribe on my video, please. I would really appreciate that. If you guys like cooking videos like this, please hit that like button so I know that you guys like this. Yeah. So enjoy the meal and stay beastie, stay fat. Yeah. Cooking is life. So yeah. See you guys. And peace out. I'm gonna devour this like a lion. So yeah, bye. Have a great day. Lantra prova! Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this kind of face reveal, yeah. Yep. Shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my oh no shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So shit. Hey guys, welcome back.